Oh, I didn't even know I was recording. Try and use this metalwork solder. You can get it to solder this big stuff, but small stuff, I don't think so. So this right here is gonna be the motor wire. Put some shrink wrap on it. Well, that ain't gonna be the motor wire. That's gonna be the battery wire, cause yeah, wrong plugs. So I'm gonna swap plugs and use one for the battery, that for the battery, and then oh man, even if I can get it out, you want to make sure that you got your plugs the right way. And it shows you right there, positive, negative, and it's got a little line on the plug too. So push that down in there. I have to tape these. Remember to tape those. So now we got our motor wire plug. I'm gonna try and cut a JST plug for the battery. Let's go over our electrics one more time. In the middle one, we got our switch, the red one. We got our battery plug. The one on the corner, we got our motor plug. The one on the end, we got our speaker. Right here, turn light indicator. And right there, that little plug, servo. And I think it's the 3.5 servo. I don't think that the 5-volt servos can go in here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on working. This solder seems like it's holding. I don't really like those solder points, but they seem like they're holding. And I got enough room where I can shorten up the wires if I need to, just to try and clean it all up. Alright, MicroScaleGaragers. Here we go, shine the light. I got the light module soldered up as best I could with that electric solder. Now I'm gonna work on Dan's truck. Now I know that I can work with this solder. I got some wires to clean up, but plug in the servo. I'm gonna clip these ears off the speaker here, and then we're gonna try and fit everything in. Might as well show you what I'm using to clip these. I'm just gonna clip these ears off with this shear from a 3D printer. That way to fit. Oh, that just happened. I just broke my mirror and my ladder. Oh yeah, that fits a lot better now. Alright, we gotta get 2-sided tape, crazy glue. I still got my ladder. I don't have my little antenna no more. That went flying. Alright, I got everything on there, kind of double-sided tape down, but some of the wires came off, like I believe the turn signal. Nope, looked like the front headlight and the front headlight positive, front headlight negative came off on this side. Resoldered those, and then as I was moving the reverse lights on the SMD, the power wire came off in the reverse lights, because now I got to figure out how I'm going to fit some reverse lights down in there somewhere. I think they go at the bottom. But next what I want to do is see if the body fits. So I'm going to plug in the servo and then see if the body fits and everything and be all super happy. Alright, I got the battery in. Let's go ahead and put some 4AA batteries in the remote. Let's see how this do. Alright, maybe it's got to be bound. I'm not even getting a negative, positive. I'm not getting nothing on the speed controller. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna have to look online and see if I can order another speed controller receiver box. So, peace, like, and love. See you guys in the next video. Alright, MicroScaleGarages. I think I figured it out. Sorry about a couple hours ago. I was a little pissed off. But what it ended up being was my plug here had a bad ground in there. I guess it was melted. It was one of the plugs that I grabbed off one of my Orlando 100 batteries, but now I just saw the blue light come on, got power, so I'm gonna put the case back on, hook the speaker up, and we're gonna test and see if our lights and stuff work. Alright, let's go ahead and hook up the battery and then turn on the remote. Oh, I left the remote on for some hours. 6.2 volts. Oh, we got lights. We got rear lights, no backup lights yet. Oh, hit the throttle. That's cool. Sounds like a V8. That's reverse. It has a throttle like alright, that's cool. Left blinker works. Alright. My right blinker is not. Yeah, my. Okay, right blinker's working when we turn right. But left blinker's not working. So now I believe if I hold. Oh, that's how you turn it on. Alright. Oh, you can turn on just the light bar. That's nice. That's nice. You can't click it in reverse and so I don't know how to work flashers. 1, 2. I gotta read the instruction manual some more. Alright. I gotta get the reverse lights wired up. And I gotta get the left turn signals wired up. And I gotta fit everything inside. But alright, I'm gonna leave it at that, you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. See you guys in the next video. Oh, there's a... Let's first... And a little volume knob. That's really cool. That's really cool. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna get this thing, I'm gonna continue working on it. But alright, you guys. See y'all in the next video. And that's the DL4. Yeah.